Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Earl Ang, and I'm the programmer of this group. And today we're going to demonstrate our system and how it works. So, firstly, is the login. So, users sign in with their email and password, and we use super-based authentication to validate credentials. If the user hasn't verified, the system notifies the user. So, firstly, you must need an account before you can sign to the system. So, if you don't have an account, you can just click the button create an account and it will direct you to the register page. So here in the register page, we collect the first name, last name, email, password. So um, we ensure the password is matched, and we we prevent duplicate accounts from creating. So after register, uh, and verification link will be sent to your actual email, uh what whenever you put in the registration, and there will be a link that will direct you back to the login page, and that account uh is now can log into the system. So since I already have an account, let's log into the system. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the home page, which serves as the main landing page. This page provides a comprehensive overview of alumni engagement statistics. At the top of the dashboard, we display the total number of alumni registered through the alumni office and the number of active members defined as alumni who actively participate in events or collaboration, and the total in the event held is the total number of events conducted by the Marian TBI. So as you can see, those buttons are functional, like view all, and you can see the all alumni. For now, we will have one contact available, mm, and he active. There's none because the other the the one contact is still not connected to the, which is why it's not being count as an active member. Then below the cards, we feature a bar graph labeled contract growth, showing trends in alumni registration and engagement over time, categorized by weekly, monthly, and yearly uh, filters. And to the right, a donut chart labeled member status visualize a breakdown of active members, inactive alumni, and lastly is newly registered members, new members. Uh, this homepage serves as a centralized dashboard for tracking alumni engagement, event participation, and membership trends over time. All visualizations and statistics are fetched in real time from our Superbase database. So next is the contacts. So here in the contacts is the user the the user the users can add a new contact, import alumni from CSV, export contact CSV, delete selected records, and there's a search and filter system, and a filter by like for by status, like for example pending or contact in an expertise, dynamically pulled from our expertise table. So first we must create an new contact here in the new button. As you can see, here, uh, it can edit full contact information, as assign or create new contact tags, send internal chat messages for contact, add, edit, and delete notes tied to the contact. Uh, so the system ensures all data changes are stored in real time and synced with our bucket, making it a reliable profile management feature. So for now, let's create an account. See, first name is Earl, last name is Ang, and then college is CCS, then program is information technology, contact number, email, date graduated, occupation, Sure. Company. And the status, we just leave it as pending for now. Here, expertise. So here in the expertise, you can see a bunch of expertise depending on the contact which expertise they are. So, but if it doesn't show here, you can create a new one. Say, uh, so count can say let's say that. So here you can see expertise and contact. So after that, you can just click the button apply, and then there will be a pop-up message says contact saved successfully. After that, if you click, you'll be redirected back to the uh, contact table, and as you can see, the contact is being added to the table. So, and you can search, like for example, name Earl again, Ang, then information technology here. So yeah, and you can just filter it by, like, for the one that I create the content here, you can see that. Then there's an page if exceeds around 10 contacts. If you create another account, there will be expanded, and it's like there's be a new, you can use the next page to navigate. Then there's an import. We can import a CSV file, contact the sample contacts to import. Here you can see it imported successfully. You can see there's a new contacts available here, and you can export it here. You can see it automatically downloads the export. So you can see, let's just wait for a while. Here you can see that those contacts are being exported successfully. You can see the alumni ID, name, alumni first name, that, and then year graduated, program, phone number, email, address, occupation, college, status, and expertise. So that's for now for the export. And that was all for the contacts. And we will proceed to the events page. So So events page where users manage alumni related events. So we show the statistic at the top, total events, active events. Uh, the active events must not expired to be count. So if expired, it will not count as an active. Uh, so, total attendees, then events can be filtered by name, venue, and or type. Each event displays the full schedule and venue with a delete button for a cleanup. So firstly, we must create an account to show you that on how to create the event. So here you can event name. So here we're gonna, let's put test, and here never best, like programming. Let's say UIC main campus. So here in the date form, if you click the calendar icon, it will show the small calendar where you can select the date of the event you want, from date from to date to. And here in the calendar, we restricted the, when clicking pass ay done date, like example April 19, it cannot be clicked no more. So you must, the only way is you must click only the upcoming dates, like some 20 to 21 to 30 and next month. So click the today 20. Same for from the date to, if you click the 21. So you select here in the event types, you can specify what type of event does the event you create. So there's already here major, minors, research, mentorship, and you can also create a new type. So if it doesn't run, let's, for example, let's create one. Uh, Workshop sample. So you click confirm, and then it now you can see that the event type that we created has been stored and can be used. Next is the alumni. Invite alumni. You can invite alumni. You can invite an alumni to an event when creating one. So for example, let's invite two people, which is Sian Lin and Earl Ang. So after that, you can select multiple depending. It depends on how many you invite. Then after that, you can click the create event, and you can it shows pop up event created successfully. That means the event has been created here in the live management. And as you can see, here in the event management, you can see that it's been like filtered from date from April 16 to 20. So the last one is the 20, means the most active one. Then you can use the search bar. Yeah, search bar. For example, search the programming and search it, and then you can filter the type, like example workshop or or mentorship, research, or minor, or major. Depends of you. Depends. Then here in the next is the calendar. You can see also here uh the events, and then you can click the text, and you can see the pop-up the details of the events, like here in that leave lab code. The venue is OLP Hall Bahada, event major, date from 16 to 17. So that's all for the events. Next is the request. So the request page is where the user can manage service or support requests submitted. Requests can filtered by status and date. When a request is clicked, like for example here you click that, uh, the system shows its details, including tools needed, technical requirements, and deadline. So uh, below we display a scroll list if the alumni candidates exceeds, so that it will not over the form will not be overextend. And then the system checks if the certain candidates can what you say uh recommended for the specific request. But for here, there's no recommended. Let's select another one. For example here, you can see here it it puts to the top of the candidates, so you can see the recommended. Then can select it. So if they need more, you can just select another. It can select multiple. So after selecting a candidate, they can review it, and there's an other pop-up like for review and approve. Then it says confirmation. So if you click approve, the request will be complete. The status will be changed up into complete. So and you can filter it to, for example, pending. Here you can see it is filtered complete. So let's specify a date for 12. Here you can see it can be filtered by the date requested. So that is it for the request, and we'll be going back to the login page. For if ever you forgot your password, you can just click the forget password button. Here you can see, uh you can put your email. So I give you a demonstration how. Say my account, I forgot my password. Here I put my email, and then here you click the reset password. Then let's wait for, it says here that check your email for the reset link. So we check that email. Then let's wait. Here you can see it's been message. Then there's a link, and we'll send you to the reset password where you can put the new password that you wanted. So let's put the new password. And so here, if you're confirming it, it says the password is updated, and it will redirect you back to the login page, and you can use the new password that you put to log into the account that you forgot about. And that's all in our demonstration. So thank you.